What's up, everybody? It's RC Explosion Box Volume 48 this month. Before I start, just wanted to mention one thing, totally non-baseball related. It's about these two dudes in Bristol, Connecticut. If anyone's from around here, give a shout out to a company. This company is called Bald Bros on Instagram. If anyone's interested, I have no affiliation with them. These two cops in Bristol, Connecticut, not that long ago, they were just like absolutely brutally ambushed. The details of it, the way they were killed, was pretty horrific. So this company's making these patches just to honor them. So they have hats, and then they have these patches you can buy. They're not the cheapest. I think the hats are like 40 bucks itself, but all the proceeds for them go directly to the families of it, to the families of the officers that were murdered. So again, if anyone's interested, just go to this company, Bald Bros. I'm only mentioning it just because, especially one of the dudes, he had a young family with wife and kids. So anything for them will help. So that's the company, Bald Bros on Instagram. They're selling those, and all the proceeds are going to those families. So anyways, let's move on with this. Yeah. So I had the packs arranged a little different. So as I was showing, this is the lineup. I have it starting with 2022 Topps Chrome. I think there's no retail this month. Got Franco in here, Cruz. Oh, this is sorry, it's all messed up. I don't think this he'll have a chance with the short prints. I think he was including the silver packs in some of these boxes, just stuck together. Jed Lowry, Kyle Schwarber, Matt Olson, insert, and then Jake Myers, rookie. Next, what I put here, I have the 2022 Topps Heritage high number. Julio, Bobby Witt, Pena, Torkelson, Strider, Abrams, and Green. I've not opened any of this. Joe Dunand, Trevor Story, Mark, however you say that, Kevin Smith, Dane Dunning, Donovan Solana, Noah Syndergaard, Alec Thomas, and Diego Castillo. All right, we got here 2022 Stadium Club. Same guys. I don't think I've even seen any of this opened up. How is this? I'll flip it around. Mackenzie Gore, sorry. Charlie Blackman, Sean Manaea, Justin Turner, Dylan Carlson. Is this a red foil? Dave Stewart, Corey Seager, and Adam Wainwright. This was a bonus pack that was thrown in 2021 update. I don't remember, is this where there was like one purple chrome in each? Yeah. Jazz Chisholm Jr. Not terrible. It's a debut. Casey Mize, debut. The purple is Kyle Isbell. And then last, Brent Honeywell. Not a high value guy, but pretty good pitcher. All right, 3 packs left. Yeah, well, no, 4 packs left, sorry. What do I have here? 2014 Chrome, what's in this? Jose Ramirez, Bogarts, Abreu. My wife was pretty devastated over Bogarts. Kind of hard not to like Bogarts, to be honest. It's really no unlikable qualities. Brandon Belt, Buster Posey. Simple but nice looking design this year. Jason Kipnis, and what's this X-Fractor of Chase Headley. All right. Were these numbered this back then? No. Alrighty, I have the jumbo now. 2018 Series 1 Devers, Albies, Bueller. Nothing really high crazy in here. Hopefully Colorado or something. As good as Devers is, gonna get a huge contract. At least he should. Gonna get a lot of hobby love. Alright, Mike Moustakas, Sanchez, a lot of cards in here, I'll go through here. Nova, Avi Baez, Jaso, Rodriguez, Frazier, Flowers, Seno, Trout, Puig, Kemp, Scherzer, Zimmerman, flipped every which way here. Nelson, Hosmer, Blackman, Cisco, Bridwell, Arroyo, Bregman. Get towards the middle here. Domingo Santana, Nolan Arenado, Aaron Judge. That's a cool card. Not really worth a lot, but it's cool. Jock Peterson, Tanaka, Joe Mauer, Dozier, and the Yankees card, Gahara. Wow, how many landscape freaking cards are there in this? Holy crap. Clayton, Feldman, Myers, Tomlin, Cano, Tapia, Waka, Fulmer, Dickerson, Reddick, Cashner. All right. Nothing. 2 packs left. Let's hope we can redeem ourselves on this. Really, 2022 Bowman. You got Churio, Mercedes, Voquero, Merrill. Anything in this? No. Jaron Duran, Kyle Muller, Strider, Shohei, Reginald Placido, whatever that is. Adrian, whatever, Luke Waddell. Chromes, Adele Amador. Got the, is that a cracked ice or whatever it's called? What are these, 1 per box? Oh, Marcelo Mayer, wasn't even looking at the name. All right, so that's not a terrible card. Jeez, I didn't pay attention to the camera. So it's not his first year Bowman, but still a top prospect. That's a pretty nice card. Nice. What do we got here? 2022 Bowman Chrome. Churio, Mercedes. I think I was reading the wrong one before. Regardless, let's come on. Is there anything thick? No. Lindor, Trey Turner, Ellie De La Cruz, Shades of Greatness. First of Yaniel Fernandez. Is this guy on this? I don't know. Doesn't look like it. And then a first of Adrian Placenia. All right. No big hits this month. Cool Marcelo. When was this guy drafted? When was he born? 2003. 2019 is a free agent. This dude, 2019 is a free agent, born 03 also. Hopefully at least this guy stays with the Rockies. When did he, yeah. At least have one of their minor league teams near me. So those are fun to go to and watch some of the dudes come up. But, all right. Nothing crazy this month. Marsalo, Cracked Ice, if I'm saying that wrong, someone correct me. Aaron Judge insert, Brent Honeywell, Casey Mize debut, and Jazz Chisholm. So, everyone, wish you luck on that. Again, if anyone's interested in giving these families some of their money and getting something kind of cool out of it, they got those hats, these patches, and then they have a big patch that looks just like this, but it's square and it's pretty big. It's probably like the whole size of this Velcro here. So, like I said, if anyone's interested, visit the company, look them up. And appreciate everyone watching. Wish everyone luck with their breaks, and take care.